Hi, Daniel Parsons. Really excited to be sharing with you an introduction to the Marketplace Global back office. Marketplace Global is a wellness company that has some latest technology that has been developed from some pharmaceutical companies that have created a visceral fat burning product that has helped many people. I'm not allowed to say anything except for my own experience per FDA regulations. And then a new product that focuses on subcutaneous fat burning. And you can see results in 40 minutes. It's measurable. Absolutely fascinating that they can see this subcutaneous fat burning product that tastes like a raspberry tea going to work that fast in your body. So uh, I will go ahead and do an FDA disclaimer before I show you the Marketplace Global affiliate site. I am an affiliate. I'm not an employee of Marketplace Global. They pay me commission to go out and find customers for them and to be a support system for my customers and anyone else that also wants to join in the affiliate marketing opportunity and earn commissions like me. So, Marketplace Global products do not treat, cure, prevent, or cure any disease or illness. They've not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Please consult with your medical provider for all of your health needs. So I want to go on screen share now, and I will go ahead and pull up my affiliate site. And if you go to marketplaceglobal.com/Daniel, you would come to my page and you can browse around there. So I'm just going to simply log into my office. My affiliate name is Daniel, our username. So here we go. You have a very, very good website. On the left-hand side, you have your home page where we're at. You have business. It shows you your team, your visual tree. You are paid in a binary compensation plan, but you also earn very good commissions on customers, okay? So you want to qualify people, and people that just want to be customers, you get paid well to just keep them customers. So you have a feature called holding tank where you have 48 hours that you can place the people. And there's a feature I'll show you real quickly in a second that you can set that up to automatically go back and forth. You have pay history, commission history. You have some other tools here. You got a prospect manager. You got all kinds of documents and media there. You got a calendar. You got quick reports. You can run reports on, who you would want to spend some time with to help them reach ranking up is what it's called. And so, and when you help people reach their goals, then you automatically receive yours. And that's just a well-known statement from Jim Rohn, I think, years and years ago. A little bit about my background. I started in the wellness field back in 2005 when the airline I was working for decided that they were going to go to non-union labor from a labor work group. And so here I am 20 years later, and I've had some very good success in the marketing industry. And I've had ups and downs, just like any business, and I'm very transparent. So you've got every Sunday night at 8 o'clock Central Time, you have what's known as a Winner Circle Zoom. I would highly recommend you attend those if possible. So I have an order history. I can place an order. You've got this marketing system. It's a free trial set up. You can test it out, and if you want to stay with it, and I will do a separate training video on that to keep the video shorter in length. as soon as I finish uploading this video. So you got regional events. You got one coming up in Texas. And so you've got some recorded Zooms that you can access. You've got your settings for your website. You got a place where you have your billing. You got communication with the company, your marketing site, your account. You manage your auto shipment. And so you got a support system. This is what I've always taught my team members through the years. Go ahead and have your auto shipment set up for the first day of the month. Why? Because at the end of every single month, all of these numbers go to zero under the current calendar month business snapshot. And so you're able, we've seen it in the industry for years and years and years, that people can lose volume that flushes because at the end of the month, their auto ship, for some reason, the debit card expired or something happens and they miss out on their auto shipment and they lose volume. You don't want to ever do that. So if you set it for the first day of the month, you never have to worry about this. And in this company, you get to see what's going on with that. Okay, so see, I've got some pretty good volume over here that I can start picking up on. Now, remember I said there's a holding tank. I've set it to 2 days for right now, but I am going to go and I'm going to change it. And if I go ahead and do a left automatically placed, that's what I want for the next thing to happen. And I don't think there's actually a place. It automatically did it for me. So you've got your MPG e-wallet. You can direct deposit to your bank for a $2 fee. Real simple, and they're fairly quick. I did a request. I think it maybe was a Thursday, and the money was in my bank on Monday evening. You've got a training, how to set up your e-wallet. You also have... You've got several trainings here. Back office tour, how to set up your auto ship, and then how to set up your e-wallet. Okay, so let's go back to the home function. And then support. So let's go back up here to home. And so you've got news that the company will put here for you. And then you've got a quick share where you can do some posts to Facebook, Twitter or X or Pinterest. Pinterest is a really growing social media. So you got a little place to put your about you, tell your little story here. You got your calendar and then replicated websites. This is just for the pHix enrollment page link. And so but they can find it if you go to your marketplaceglobal.com/Daniel replicated site. Okay. And then up here is where you can put your picture. I highly recommend that you put a picture because all the professionals in the marketing industry put a professional picture for your website. So you got this other little place here, chats between your team members. And then here you got notifications, rank advancements, prospects. Okay, so that is a real quick overview of the, so when you have somebody in the holding tank, they'll show up right here under business and then holding tank. See how I hovered on business and then holding tank, and then you can always check what your pay history, commission history is. And so that's it for this update. And let me go off of screen share, come back here, and I will post this right away to the team in the team Telegram room. We do help you once you sign up and join us. And this is Daniel Parsons, and you can find my phone number at marketplaceglobal.com/Daniel. Bye for now.